Hello everyone. Today we will take a journey to learn about a very big and beautiful country, India. India is full of life, color, culture, and history. It is a place where the old and new live together. If you are curious about the world, this lesson will help you understand India better. Let's take a slow and gentle walk through this amazing country together. Where is India? India is in South Asia. It is a big country, the seventh largest in the world by land. It shares borders with Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. It is also close to Sri Lanka. India has a long coastline along the Indian Ocean. This makes it a country of many kinds of land, from mountains to deserts, beaches to jungles. Now let's talk about geography and climate. India has many different types of geography. In the north, there are the mighty Himalayas, the tallest mountain range in the world. These mountains are always cold and covered with snow. In the south, you will find beaches and warm weather. The west has the Thar Desert, hot and dry. The east has many rivers and green forests. The climate in India changes from place to place. There are 4 main seasons: winter, summer, monsoon, rainy season, and post-monsoon. In some places, summer can be very hot, reaching up to 45 degrees Celsius. Monsoon brings heavy rain from June to September, which is important for farming. Let's take a closer look at people and language. India has over 1.4 billion people. That's a lot. It is the second most populated country in the world, after China. People in India look different depending on where they are from. Some have light skin, some have dark skin, and all are beautiful in their own ways. India is special because people speak many languages. The country has 22 official languages and over 1,600 other languages and dialects. The most spoken languages are Hindi and English. English is often used in schools, business, and government. Other common languages include Bengali, Telugu, Marathi, Tamil, Urdu, and Gujarati. Most Indian people can speak 2 or more languages. Each region of India has its own language, culture, and style. This makes traveling in India feel like visiting many different countries in one. Now let's move to traditional clothing. India is famous for its colorful clothes. People wear different clothes based on their region, religion, and culture. People wear different clothes in different parts of the country. Traditional clothes are often colorful and beautiful. For women, the sari is a popular traditional dress. It is a long piece of cloth wrapped around the body. In northern India, many women wear salwar kameez, a long top with loose trousers. In the south, you might see women in half saris. Men wear kurta pajamas, dhotis, or lungis in traditional settings. And for special events, they may wear a sherwani. However, many people, especially in cities, also wear modern clothing, like jeans, shirts, and dresses. Clothes in India are often bright and full of patterns. Clothing often changes during festivals or weddings. People wear their best clothes, with lots of colors, jewelry, and embroidery. Now let's talk about music and dance. India has a rich history of music and dance. Music and dance are very important in Indian life. Each state has its own music and dance traditions. Classical music includes Hindustani music from the north and Carnatic music from the south. These styles use special instruments like the sitar, tabla, flute, and veena. Popular dances include Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathak, North India, Kathakali, Kerala, Odissi, Odisha, and Bhangra, Punjab. These dances tell stories and are full of expression and color. Bollywood music and dance are also very famous. Bollywood songs are fun, energetic, and often part of Indian movies. People dance at weddings, festivals, and parties. Now it's time to learn about delicious food. Indian food is famous all around the world. It is full of flavor, color, and spices. Each region has its own special dishes. Common Indian foods include rice and flatbreads like chapati and naan. Vegetables, lentils, and curries are popular. In the south, people eat more rice and coconut-based dishes. In the north, people enjoy thick curries and bread. Spices like turmeric, cumin, coriander, and chili are used a lot. But not all Indian food is spicy. Some dishes are mild and sweet. India also has many vegetarian dishes, as many people in India do not eat meat. Some popular dishes are biryani, spicy rice with meat or vegetables; masala dosa, a rice pancake filled with spicy potatoes; butter chicken, a creamy tomato chicken dish. Popular Indian sweets include gulab jamun, rasgulla, jalebi, and laddu. Indian tea, called chai, is a must-try. It is sweet, milky, and full of spices. Now let's talk about religion and spiritual life. India is the birthplace of 4 major world religions: Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism. Hinduism is the most followed religion in India. There are also many Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Buddhists, and people of other faiths. India is a land where different religions live together. Temples, mosques, churches, and gurdwaras can be found all across the country. Many people start their day with prayer or meditation. Religious festivals are celebrated with joy and devotion. How about festivals in India? India celebrates many festivals. These festivals are colorful, joyful, and full of traditions. Diya Mai, the Festival of Lights, celebrated by Hindus. Homes are lit with lamps and people burst fireworks. Holi, the Festival of Colors, where people throw colored powders at each other. Argade, celebrated by Muslims with prayers, gifts, and delicious food. Christmas, celebrated by Christians with decorations and carols. Ginaurga Puja, Pongal, Navratri, and Raksha Bandhan are other popular festivals. Each festival has music, dancing, prayers, and lots of food. It brings people together, no matter their background. Indian customs teach respect for elders, kindness, and hospitality. Now let's take a look at modern cities and technology. India has many large, busy cities. Some of the major cities are New Delhi, the capital city; Mumbai, the biggest city, full of film stars and business, the city of dreams and home of Bollywood; Bangalore, famous for technology and IT, known as India's Silicon Valley for its tech companies; Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, and Ahmedabad are also large and busy cities with rich cultures. India is growing fast in technology. Many people work in computer programming, mobile apps, and call centers. India is also good at space science. In 2014, India sent a spacecraft to Mars at a very low cost. Now let's learn about education in India. India has many schools, colleges, and universities. Education is important to Indian families. Parents work hard to give their children a good education. Children usually go to school from age 6 to 16. Many Indian students are very talented in science, math, and technology. Some Indian universities are famous around the world like IIT, Indian Institutes of Technology. and AIMS for medicine. There are also many English medium schools where students learn in English. However, some children in poor areas still do not get good education. The government and charities are working to improve this. Now let's move to customs and way of life. Indian life is full of customs. People greet each other with namaste, placing their hands together. Elders are respected and often live with their children. Families are very important in India. Many people live in joint families, where grandparents, parents, and children all live together. In villages, life is peaceful and slow. People farm, cook at home, and know all their neighbors. In cities, life is busy with jobs, traffic, and modern lifestyle. To end our journey, here are some more amazing and surprising facts about India. India has a long history, over 5,000 years old. India is the world's largest democracy. It has the second largest population, after China. The number system and zero were invented in India. Yoga began in India more than 5,000 years ago. India has the world's largest postal network. The Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world, is in India. Chess was also invented in India. The Kumbh Mela festival is so big, you can see it from space. India has tigers, elephants, peacocks, and even snow leopards. Before we finish, let's take a moment to think about what makes India truly special. India is a land of beauty, wisdom, and surprises. It is full of colors, people, languages, and ideas. From the snowy mountains in the north to the warm beaches in the south, from tall mountains to hot deserts, from peaceful villages to busy cities, India is full of life. Every part of India has a story to tell. It is a land where old traditions and modern science walk together. A place where food smells fill the air, music fills the streets, and every corner has a new story. Whether you are enjoying Indian food, listening to music, watching a dance, or talking to someone from India, you are experiencing something rich and beautiful. Thank you for joining this journey about India. If you like this, please subscribe, so you can join us again to explore more countries and cultures around the world. See you next time.